So here it is, a model-driven app got created within few minutes using Copilot. Hi all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekta and I'm here to tell you about Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. In my previous video, I covered an overview of the 365 CRM, and in my today's video, I'm going to cover about apps. So what are apps or Power Apps in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM? So we can think an app as a modular, purpose-built, role-based application that provides a specific functionality to manage different business processes like sales, marketing, or customer service. It allows users to access only the relevant data, dashboard, reports, and processes they need to perform. So what are different types of apps in Dynamics 365 CRM? So we have three different types of Power Apps. The first one is Canvas app, model driven app, and web portal. Talking about model driven app. So it's an application built on top of Dataverse, which is our underlying data platform for Dynamics 365. Model driven apps are best for building complex data focused applications. And to build this app designers are mainly focused on designing the sitemap and adding components to it, instead of designing it from scratch. The best example will be of sales app that tracks leads, opportunities, and customer interactions. Moving to Canvas app. We can think of Canvas app as a blank canvas where a designer can simply drag and drop pre-built controls to create a custom and visually appearing interface. They are very flexible to design and very useful. So these apps are best to use in a mobile-friendly forms, and it connects to a wide range of data sources, for example, SharePoint, SQL, Dataverse, and many more. To build this app, a designer simply drag and drop pre-built controls, similar to PowerPoint where we add controls and create our PPT. And the way we write formula in our Excel, in the similar way we can write our expressions for our logic in Canvas app. And the best example will be a mobile app for field agent to log their service visit. And the last one is portal apps. These are specifically designed for external audience that allows public access to our organization data and application. To build this, we have to design a secure low-code website for external users. It's a standalone product that provides the functionality to create external facing websites. And the example will be a customer support portal where users can submit tickets. So what are the differences between these apps? A model-driven app is more data-centric and it has a structured UI. A Canvas app is more flexible to design and it is used for a specific task. Portal app is basically designed for external users and it's a web-based interaction. When we talk about real-world example, a model-driven app will be best suitable for a sales team. Field technician will use Canvas app to report their issues or to log their service visit. And customers use Portal app to track their service request. So now let's move to the demo. I'll create a model-driven app. So for that, I move to my D365 instance. I'm clicking Create New App. So just to give an overview, I'm creating an app for a multi-city hospital patient tracker. So our scenario is, uh, let's say we have a healthcare group which runs hospital in several cities, and they want a centralized app to register patients, to track their visits and treatment, and to assign doctors, and view hospital-specific data. So let's give a name, say hospital care. I'll click Create. So within seconds, it created an app for me. Okay, so now so so now since it's a blank app, we want to add few pages to it. Okay, so to add page, I'll click add page and it gives us an option whether we want to create a generative page using Copilot or we want to add table from a Dataverse. So I'll choose Dataverse and then it give option whether we want to choose any existing table or we want to create new. So I'll say create new table. Again, it give option whether we want to create table using Copilot or we want to import it from SharePoint list or we want to import it from Excel or just we want to do it from scratch. So I'll say start with Copilot. And now I have told Copilot to create tables like hospital, patient, doctor visit, and in hospital table we should have fields like name, city, address, contact info. Patient should have fields like patient name, DOB, gender, phone, email, assigned hospital, and assigned hospital should be a lookup to hospital entity. Similar to that, I have given fields for doctor table and visit table. And I'll click generate. So it's putting all the information together and creating table for us in the backend. Okay, so it presented entity relationship diagram. Let me expand this. So it told like, okay, so I'm going to create 4 different tables. These will be the fields and what will be the relationship with each other. Okay, so if it feels this is good, we can click save and exit. Otherwise, we can modify it. So I'll click save and exit. Now it's adding a table to the app. Okay, so it created the table and added it to our app. So this is how our app will look like. The name will be hospital care. Then it has 4 different entities called doctor, hospital, patient, and visits. And the good thing is it automatically created some dummy data also inside each of the table. Along with that, it created a view by adding all the different fields which we asked our Copilot to create for us. So once we are satisfied with it, we can click save and publish. So once I click save and publish, the AI automatically generated the description of our app. It was blank initially and it generates a description for us. We can edit it if we want, otherwise we can simply publish. So our app got published and we have a play button over here. We can click it to open it into our C instance. So here it is. Our model-driven app got created within few minutes using Copilot. And we have manually not even created an entity, not even a single field we have created, even a form or view we have not created. Copilot did it everything for us. So if I'll open it, here's the form for doctor entity. I even didn't told this Copilot that which field should be of which data type. It automatically identify that by their name. So for example, this name field it kept as a single line of text. This owner is a lookup to user or teams. Then email, it's a single line of text but of email format. So it basically uses AI intelligence to create these fields and generate a form, generate a view for us. And it saves so much of time. See, this is how our hospital form will look like. This is our, and this is how our patient form will look like. See, the phone number field, it automatically created a phone number type, email as an email type. For DOB, it just created a date field, not a date time. This is how our visit form will look like. So yeah, this is it. So we learned today like what are apps in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, what are the types of apps, and when to use which PowerApps, right? So if you found my today's video useful for you, then please give a like and share it with your friends and colleagues who are interested to learn more about Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. And please subscribe my channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.